How to fix hard drive cannot be detected in BIOS on motherboard. If your computer can't detect the hard drive, SSD or M.2 after power is on, please follow the steps in this video to fix the problem. How to check hard drive status in BIOS settings. First, please check your hard drive settings in BIOS. Power on the system and press either Delete or F2 key to enter BIOS setting page. The EZ mode provides basic system overview of your computer. You can find the hard drive, SSD or M.2 device currently connected in storage information. If your computer enter advanced mode, you can easily switch from advanced mode to EZ mode by pressing F7 key. Or you can check the SATA mode M.2 and hard drive at PCH storage configuration. An NVMe configuration for the information of PCIe M.2 device. Update BIOS to the latest version. Please search and download the latest BIOS file from ASUS official website. You can also find more BIOS update steps on the information card. Load BIOS default. If you have changed any BIOS settings, such as CPU overclocking or memory overclocking, the computer may not detect the hard disk or SSD due to overclocking instability. It is suggested to load BIOS settings to the default. Enter BIOS EZ mode. Press F5 key and click OK. Then press F10 key and click OK. Enable CSM in BIOS settings. CSM is the compatibility support module. You can try to enable CSM to allow both UEFI and non-UEFI devices to show on boot priority. Enter BIOS EZ mode and press F7 to switch to advanced mode. Click Boot. Launch CSM. If CSM item is not user configurable and shows in gray, please install an add-on graphics card and CSM item will turn configurable. Set Launch CSM as enabled. Then press F10 key and click OK. Check storage specification for your motherboard. Go to ASUS website and search for your motherboard model name. Go to product specification page or user manual and check storage. Please be aware that the compatible installation scenarios would vary by the design of CPU and channel. Some motherboards can't detect the first M.2 slot if you install with Intel 10th generation CPU. Therefore, please use the Intel 11th generation CPU to enable this slot. Some models share the bandwidth with the second M.2 slot and SATA port 1. In such case, you need to change to other ports to enable both devices. Please check the ASUS website or user manual for more detailed information. Confirm the hardware. Last step, please check the connection of hardware. Please try to re-plug the SATA and power cable for hard drive or SSD. You may be able to fix the issue by replacing those cables. You can also try to connect hard disk or SSD to other SATA port of the motherboard. For M.2 SSD, please try to reinstall the SSD or try the other slot as well. Make sure the M.2 SSD is firmly secured with the mounting screw. If your system still can't detect the hard drive, we suggest to install the device under different platforms to confirm whether the device is functional or not. We hope your system can successfully detect hard drive after executing the above steps. Welcome to subscribe to our ASUS support channel. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.